everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Here I have come up with another recipe. They are called churros. They are Spanish dessert. Along with that, we are gonna make chocolate sauce. So let's get started. Ingredient list for the churros is already there on the screen. Here I have half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoons or 50 grams butter, half a cup water, and half a cup of cinnamon sugar. To prepare this cinnamon sugar, you need half a cup fine sugar and 2 tablespoons cinnamon powder and mix them together. Now take a deep pot, put flame on medium, add half a cup of water, add butter in the water along with salt and sugar. Now put the flame on low and stir the butter water. We will not boil this water, we just want the butter to be melted. Keep stirring so the butter melts faster. Now when the butter is melted, add all-purpose flour. After adding the flour, start mixing that immediately so the lumps doesn't form. We have to keep mixing it, otherwise it will start burning and the whole process will ruin. As you can see, the flour is still there, it hasn't become the paste, so we have to keep mixing it. We will keep mixing this until the butter and the flour is well combined. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will get all the notification for my videos. Friends, whenever you are making churros, follow the same technique as shown in the video. You will get best churros every time. Any questions, suggestion or feedback if you want to share, you can share in the comment box. I will be really happy to hear from you guys. Now everything is well combined, and when you see that the paste starts sticking to the pan, it means it's ready. Now switch off the flame and remove the pot from the stove. Transfer the paste in another bowl. First, this paste has to cool down. I am using electric blender, but this process can be done by hand also. So first we have to let this paste cool down before doing any further step. If you are doing by hands, you can just leave it for a couple of minutes, and when this is cooled down, you can add 1 egg in that. Those eggs are small, so I'm gonna use 2 of them, but if you are using large egg, then use only 1. The paste is cooled down, so now I'm adding the egg and start mixing them. If you don't have electric mixer, you can do this process by hand. Now adding another egg and mix. Doing this process will make churros soft from inside and crunchy from outside. Now this has become hard to blend. It means it's ready. You can see how the texture looks. I don't have piping bag, so I'm taking Ziploc. I'm using pastry tip. If you don't have pastry tip, you can just cut in the corner. Pastry tip is just to make the churros fancy. However, if you are interested to buy tip, it looks like this. Here I have a pot with oil. On a very low flame, this oil has been heating up. Now we will start placing the churros. The size you can make long, short as per your interest. And with the help of a scissor, I'm cutting these churros into the pot. Make sure the flame is on very low. Also, don't overcrowd the pot. Now once you see that you have left them for about 40 to 50 seconds to cook, then flip them. Make sure they cook evenly. They shouldn't burn from one side. For that, keep changing their position, keep flipping them. As you can see, the beautiful golden color has started to come. This will happen only when you cook them on low flame. Now they are ready. We will place them on kitchen towel so the kitchen towel absorbs the extra oil. And after a couple of seconds, transfer them to cinnamon sugar. Give them beautiful thin coating of cinnamon sugar. Now dust the extra cinnamon sugar out and bring it back to the plate. Same way we will prepare other churros. Friends, one more important thing, the oil that you are using should not have strong flavors. You can use like peanut oil, vegetable oil or light olive oil. Here I have made some baby churros for my babies. Nothing special I did, I just cut them in the small pieces. See these babies, they look so adorable. We will coat them also in the cinnamon sugar. Now let's prepare the chocolate sauce without using cream. Ingredient list is already there on the screen. Here I have about 65 grams dark chocolate, 1/3 cup milk and 1 tablespoon butter. Because of lockdown I was not able to find heavy cream. So I thought, what is heavy cream? It's just milk and butter. So I decided to use both of them. Now here to make the chocolate sauce, we are gonna do a trick. We are gonna create double boiler. For that I have some water in a pot. Now we will place the chocolate bowl on top of the pot, and on the low flame we'll start heating the water. Add the milk and butter in the chocolate bowl. Now with the help of this double boiler, our chocolate and butter will start melting as soon as the water starts heating up. Make sure the flame is on very low. As you can see, the chocolate has already started to melt. Leave it for a couple of seconds and then start mixing up. One important thing, the bowl should be that big enough so the steam doesn't come out from the pot. Now with the help of steam, the chocolate has already started to melt. Now we'll switch off the flame and leave the bowl on top of the pot for a couple of seconds more. That way chocolate and butter will melt completely. Scrape the edges and now remove from the pot. This chocolate sauce is ready. But if you like to eat more sweet, then you can add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. I don't like much sweet, so I'm gonna just skip this process. So you saw how easy peasy this sauce was. Here I've added some grated chocolates on top. So you can see these babies churros look so adorable. Friends, the consistency of our chocolate sauce is perfect. Churros tastes very well with chocolate sauce, but you can eat them without that also. Here I prepared some shaped ones. If you want to learn that, please comment in the comment box. I will share how to create them. This is a Spanish dessert and it's famous all around the world. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.